Alright, round 2. Hello everybody, my name is Scorekeeping, and today I'm going to be doing a battle between Tempest Dragon, Charge Metal 1A against my 3D printed, super awesome, incredible, custom Beyblade, Hero Samuraizor, shut up Insta, Hero Samuraizor, Sting Extreme. It's like the greatest thing ever, and it's back, woo. Today I'm joined by my two sexy, smoking hot guest stars, Instaburst, who's kind of like meh, he's like a 7, and we got Skudii, shut up, Insta, you're not important. And then we got Skudii, who's like a total 10, maybe even an 11. Skudii, you have the floor.
A fucking 10, baby. Listen up, boys. You're gonna see a battle that you ain't never seen before. Because you ain't got this bait, you ain't getting this bait, and the best thing you can ever hope to do is see your boy Quake fucking rocket with this bait. Edit that out.
Fuck that, dude. I'm not gonna do it. No. We got Skudii swearing on camera. Let's go. First one to 15. Oh, God. Oh. All right. Well, it's not looking good for Samuraizor right out the gate because this bay is chunky as hell.
Ripcord launcher for the win.
Yeah, dude.
You need a longer ripcord.
This is the longest ripcord out there.
I got a longer one for you.
Shut up. Long winder energy, bro.
Come on. Do it to him. Yeah.
I have the paw. I have the paw.
1-1.
It's 1-1. It's about to piss. Insta, I have a question.
Go on one-on-one with the great one. That's right.
Insta, I have a question.
What's your question?
Does it have the 1-1 to come back?
Does it have the 1-1 to 2 to come back? Find out next time.
Dragon,
Man,
you freak!
How do you pocket charge metal? Get wrecked.
Shut up.
Packeted.
Packeted.
Wait, the charge metal is insane. Man. Crispy clean.
That was a pretty clean KO, I'm not gonna lie. 2-1. Oh, here we go. Samuraizor, I believe in you. Samuraizor, I said I believe in you. What the hell, man?
You didn't resonate enough.
I need my dark resonance. You know, I gotta say that dark resonance sounds really intolerant, and I don't know if I'm okay with that.
Let's go.
Get out of here, bro. You ain't got nothing. He got something. Who got that? Was that Samuraizor?
Looked like a tie to me, but
I'll call it a tie. It was really close.
It's a tie.
All right.
I'm dealing with like 5 FPS. So listen, it's the king tie. Let's keep moving.
Is it still 2-1?
Yes.
Oh.
Man, I can't even keep score.
Oh.
Can't even launch.
Bro, shut up, Skudii. I don't want to hear it from you. I don't want to hear it from you, Skudii.
Yeah, but you know how to do it to him.
Oh,
That's it.
I find it kind of funny. I find it kind of sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. Go. Oh, dodge. The juke. Oh! It's bursted! That's 4-1, dude. That's 4-1.
No, it burst in the pocket.
It did not, dude. I saw it pop on the way out. 4-1.
You burst in my pocket. Wait. It's 2-2. Dragon was the one with 2 points, you idiot.
No. Oh. It's 3-2 then. We'll call it 3-2 because I bursted it.
3-2. God, you can't even count.
Shut up. Oh, God. Oh, I knew it. I saw it coming a mile away. It's like the most unorthodox launching method I've ever used.
Wait, launch it flatter.
Oh!
You know what? I take it back.
Does it have the fortitude, Skudii?
It has the... Yes.
Yeah. It has the, yeah.
Yeah, so true.
Way to build on it, bro. Oh!
Oh.
Damn!
Man, you're done, son. And you're done, son.
4-3, bro.
4-3.
Oh,
Eight
oh,
guys have
ooh,
the fortitude,
ooh,
apparently.
ooh, ooh.
Haha.
Damn it all.
Man, I can't wait to watch Samuraizor burst right now.
It'll never happen. Oh, dang it!
Listen, I felt pretty good about that one for just a hot second.
For a hot
And you were
millisecond.
packing it.
Shut
For
up.
a hot millisecond, it looked like you were doing it.
You had the pattern. Here's the power.
Ooh, 5-4.
Aroo.
Complete failure.
Nailed it.
Nailed it. It's what I do. It's who I am.
I like Betyblade.
Bro, it's like
What was
the
that?
Tony Hawk skateboarding game, but in Beyblade. That's like immediately what came to mind.
What's
You
that,
literally
7-4?
teabagged him.
Sometimes it be like that.
Samuraizor just dragged his nuts across Dragon's face.
Bursted dragon, more like be dragging these nuts.
You thought for a second there that honk sounded like, I don't mean to be racist, but
Oh, yeah.
I can't even duplicate it.
It's really painful for me too. It's like the worst feeling ever. But that's how you know it's funny. What's the score? Is that
I believe that's 7-4.
7-4? Spider Kiss, Spider Teabag.
You gotta get extra points for that.
Oh.
Yeah,
That's
move it up to
right
8.
there.
Yeah, 8-4.
8-4 for the trick shot.
Yeah.
All right. Oh shit.
Aw.
No. The launcher for sure skipped.
Back to launching like Skudii.
Wow.
As long as I'm not the only one getting thrown under the bus here.
I'll show you.
Oh, good. Oh, it's still happening. Damn.
Aw.
Is that 8-5?
Yeah.
Fucking 3 points for the trick shot.
Aw.
What was that shit we were talking about, the double chassis? He's like, oh, the burst resistance is so incredible. It's like the greatest thing I've ever seen. I'm like ruining my blue 1A here.
But charged metal is one of the weakest springs I've ever seen on a non-dash driver.
Maybe bearing level, who knows? Fully stacked die, bitch. Fully stacked
Yes.
diamonds, fully stacked diamonds. You won't see me cry, I'm fully stacked die, bitch! That's
11-5.
11-5, very good.
Are we going to 15?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where are you, an idiot?
Give us an 8 minute video. Give us a little monetization.
Oh, you cannot.
Yes.
Onto a ball. Oh, shit! I
11-6.
was talking all that mad shit, too.
I can't believe you've done this.
I can't believe it's done this.
Oh,
point, Dragon. Aw.
Yeah.
Bro, I want to say that it bursted, but I can't tell. It just hits the pocket too fast.
It hit the pocket. That's it. You're not good. You're done.
Shut up.
I mean, you said it. I didn't agree with it.
So is that 12? 12?
Yeah, 12-6.
12-6, my kid.
Wow. Bottom on the ridge.
Man.
Still makes it to the finish line.
Ridge Muncher, am I right? Samuraizor's a Ridge Muncher.
You shut your face. That sounds super dirty, and I'm sure you like being clever wordplay, or maybe you're just talking about eating ass, and I can tell you to shove it.
Ridge Muncher.
Oh! God damn it. Ow! Fuck! Bro.
You know, I have this video on how to launch Extreme Dash. Did you know that, Quake?
Yeah, charged metal's different.
This is how he inflates his views. None of that shit is perfectly legal.
Oh.
I don't know what kind of rinky-dink, Betty Crocker cousin fucking shit you got going on in the
It's over!
Proper fucking country. They don't let you fucking launch like that.
It's over!
14-6. Yeah,
Oh,
it's 15.
Congratulations to Samuraizor on being that much better than everyone else.
1 more point to
All
go.
other Beyblades.
What? No, that was 15, bro.
No, that's only 14, you idiot.
Alright.
Well, get him back in there one more time. Shit on his chest.
Just like how Odell Beckham would like you to.
For underscore real.
For underscore. Shut up. I can barely. I can't stand the both of you in like one VC. This is such a bad idea. Oh, damn it. It's 14 to 7.
The comeback is real.
Yeah.
You're about to lose to Tempest Dragon with the 7 points.
Oh, come on.
You gotta believe. Wow, you should have believed.
You should have believed.
I hate both of you.
14-8.
14 to
This
8.
is the best comeback I've ever seen.
This can.
You want to launch it a little
Dramatic finish. I was getting real nervous at the end because Samuraizor sustained some pretty serious damage in that battle. I'm gonna have to reprint it.
You know what? Props to you. You did it. Number one.
That was pretty fun. I've been mean to this print. I didn't do the whole melting trick very much on this one, so that was been pretty impressed. I put it through the ringer. I've been beating up Lord. I did some Tempest battles, Lucifer. I keep killing Satan. It's hilarious.
You bursted Hyperion, but no one will ever believe you.
Yeah, no, that was.
I kind of believe it.
It's easy clap. All right.
You know what? That's why Scudi's number 1.
Scudii number 1.
Go subscribe to Skudii.
Don't you dare.
He's gonna be
the worst content and the most scuffed live streams. Sure, but otherwise, no.
All right.
Look,
Well,
if you like CBTs, and if you like
That's
Geist
all
Back,
you know what? That's all I'm good for. That's all I'm good for.
or if you like Geist Fafnir unboxing, definitely head to Sir Skudii 80 or not 86 anymore. Sir Skudii, space in
I'll put
between.
the 86 back just for you guys.
That's right. Thank you.
Bro.
Oh yeah, that's right.
What a video. I want to thank both of you for joining me tonight. Skudii,
you
you
diagnosed with depression.
Thanks. Whenever you search my name, how I got diagnosed with depression, top hit.
Oh my
Top
goodness.
hit.
You guys are insane. Both of you be quiet. I'm doing my outro. Thank you both
All right.
for showing up.
Subscribe to Quake and Bacon, or I'll come to your house.
I have pictures of your house under my bed. I will come to them. That means two things. Thanks everybody for watching. I'll see you in the next one.